Hello students, due to some technical problems in first video I was unable to explain stability of coordination compounds and factors which governs the stability of complexes. That's why today once again I am uploading the new video to explain all these. So in first video we were talking about lastly about stability of coordination compounds. So remember that stability of coordination compound can be explained by knowing their stability constant. Stability of coordination compound can be explained by knowing their stability constant. So stability of complex is governed by metal ligand interaction. Stability of complex is governed by metal ligand interactions. So in this metal, it serves as electron acceptor, that is Lewis acid, and ligand serves as electron pair donor, that is Lewis base. Listen once again. So in the metal ligand interaction, metal serves as electron acceptor. Metal serves as electron pair acceptor, while ligand as a Lewis base, that is electron pair donor. So metal ligand interaction can be realized as Lewis acid base interaction. So stronger the interaction between metal and ligand, stronger the interaction between metal and ligand, then greater is the stability of complex. If the interaction between metal and ligand it is stronger, then stability of complex is greater. So consider the equilibrium for metal ligand interaction. Consider the equilibrium for metal ligand interaction. So here on the metal A plus charge is present. So n times of ligand are present on it, X minus charge is present, and this is the complex MLN complex, and it having the charge A plus plus NX minus. So here in this equation this A it is nothing but it is the charge on metal. It denotes A denotes charge on metal, X denotes this X denotes charge on ligand, and A plus plus NX minus it denotes charge on the complex respectively. So by applying law of mass action to this equation, we can get the equilibrium constant. Equilibrium constant K is equal to, here this is the product, that's why MLN its charge divided by these are reactants MA plus and L raised to X minus, and its number is N. So here higher the value of K, here higher the value of K, then larger is the thermodynamic stability of complex. Then higher the value of K, then larger is the thermodynamic stability. Thermodynamic stability. So higher the value of K, then larger is the thermodynamic stability of complex. So thus here we finished stability of coordination compounds. So remember that if the value of equilibrium constant is high, then such type of complex are thermodynamically more stable. So after studying stability of coordination compounds, so the next article is factors which governs stability of complexes. Now we are going to study the next article, that is factors which governs stability of the complexes. So stability of complexes is governed by charge to the size ratio of metal ion, charge to the size ratio of metal ion, and nature of ligand. Listen again. Stability of complex is governed or is affected by two factors. First one, it is the charge to size ratio of metal ion, and second one is the nature of ligand. So let's study the first article, that is charge to size ratio of metal ion. So higher the ratio, greater is the stability of complex. So if this ratio it is high, the stability of compounds it is greater one. So for divalent metal ion, these are the divalent metal ions. For divalent metal ions, stability order, for divalent metal ion, the stability order is called, here the name is Irwin-Williams order. The name is Irwin-Williams order. So this type of order is called as Irwin-Williams order. So here both Cu and Cd, they having charge +2, but ionic radius of Cu2 plus is 69 picometer and ionic radius of Cu2 plus is 97 picometer. The charge to the size ratio, of Cu2 plus it is greater than Cd2 plus. Therefore Cu2 plus they forms stable complexes than Cd2 plus. So why is Cu2 plus form more stable complex than Cd2 plus? Because here here charge to size ratio in case of Cu2 plus it is higher than this Cd2 plus. So after studying this particular factor, next article is nature of ligand. So it is the second factor that governs the stability of complex. So the first factor which governs stability of complex was charge to size ratio of metal ion, and second factor is nature of ligand. So it is the second factor that governs stability of complexes. So stability of complex is related to how easily ligand can donate its electron pair to the metal ion. Stability of complex, it is related to one factor, and that factor is how easily ligand can donate its electron pair to the metal ion, that is basicity of ligand. The ligands, those are stronger bases. Tends to form more stable compounds. That means ligand which can donate electron pair easily, or the ligands, those are stronger bases. They having tendency to form more stable complexes or compounds. So these are the two factors which governs the stability of complex. Stability of complex, it can be governed by two different factors. First one was we studied, that was charge to size ratio of metal ion, and second we just completed, that is the nature of ligand. So today we are going to stop here. Thank you.